Hello everyone, Dr. O here in week 3. Hope you're doing well. This is a short video to present a model that I've been using, teaching principles of management, that I think might help us get some different perspectives on the topic of work engagement that we're studying in this class. Now I start here with this picture of this red onion, not because it's really about cooking or about food at all, but this image kind of matched a model that I had drawn in a syllabus for Management 210, Principles of Management, as I tried to explain what the course was about and explain what, in a sense, good management entails, at least from an introductory level. So let's take a journey through this diagram. I call it Management Inside Out. And to become an effective manager, one must learn how to be self-aware. One must learn how to be self-managed, or in terms of emotional intelligence, we talk about it as self-regulated. One must become empathetic and interpersonally skilled, both, to engage effectively as a supervisor and as a higher level manager. Having team savvy is really important these days at work in terms of an individual contributor, project leader, or managing sets of teams. And be organization-minded. This is important from any perspective within the organization. Right? From my individual job, to have some idea how it works, how it fits into the broader purposes and vision of the organization. And as my responsibilities grow from frontline contributor to supervisor, having to be team lead, manager, and so forth, my perspective needs to become increasingly focused on the organizational issues and a little less, or maybe quite a bit less, focused on the specific task accomplishment at the front lines. So I'm teaching these 19, 20-year-old students that developing across all these rings of the onion, so to speak, are part of what it takes to develop good management skills. And we know it takes time, but in this introductory course, we're just trying to give some perspective and maybe some initial skills. And actually, it seems to me that the issue of engagement in the workplace has something to do with how we manage ourselves, right? And what we know about ourselves, how we interact with others, how we engage with teams, and what we know and understand about the purposes and the direction of the organization. So it's multi-determined. I think we can be pretty certain about that based on what we've seen and read and heard so far this semester. So just a little diagram to help you think about multi-level determinants of work engagement. I hope that's a bit helpful, and I'm going to be back with a bit more even here later this afternoon.